Paradoxical study suggests link between healthy diets and early-onset lung cancer. A recent study has uncovered a surprising correlation. Young patients diagnosed with lung cancer before the age of 50 tended to have healthier diets than the general population. While the findings initially seemed to contradict decades of medical advice regarding cancer prevention, experts warn that correlation does not equal causation and urge caution in how these results are interpreted. The research findings the study focused on a specific demographic: young lung cancer patients, most of whom were non-smokers and carried cancer types distinct from those typically associated with tobacco use. To assess their nutritional habits, researchers used the Healthy Eating Index, HEI, a metric that scores diet quality on a scale of 1 to 100. The results revealed a notable trend: patient diet score. The young cancer patients averaged a score of 65/100. National average, the general American population averaged 57/100. Nutrient intake. Patients consumed more dark green vegetables, legumes, and whole grains daily compared to the average adult. Exploring the pesticide hypothesis, the most provocative question raised by the study is whether the very foods considered healthy might be contributing to the risk. One theory being explored is pesticide exposure. Dr. Nieva suggested that the higher concentration of certain foods in this patient group might lead to increased exposure to pesticide residues. This theory is supported by the fact that agricultural workers who deal with pesticides daily face a documented higher risk of lung cancer. However, medical experts remain skeptical of this connection for several reasons. Lack of biological evidence. There is currently no data showing higher levels of pesticides in the blood or urine of these specific patients. Low-level evidence. Epidemiologists note that this study is hypothesis-generating rather than definitive proof. Proven benefits. Doctors emphasize that a healthy diet is already scientifically linked to reduced risks of other cancers, such as colon cancer. Critical limitations and recall bias. Before concluding that fruits and vegetables are a risk factor, researchers and medical professionals point to several significant flaws in the study's methodology. Memory errors, recall bias. The study relied on patients remembering what they ate before their diagnosis. Dr. Sora Ely notes that a cancer diagnosis can fundamentally change how a person views their past. Patients may subconsciously rewrite their dietary history to search for reasons why they became ill, or they may simply struggle to accurately remember long-term eating habits. Participation bias. There is a possibility that the individuals who volunteered for the study were already more health conscious than the average person, meaning their healthy diet was a personality trait rather than a causal factor. Misinterpretation of data. Experts warn that the study's findings are being overstated. A slightly higher diet score among patients does not mean that eating well causes cancer. It simply means that, in this specific group, the scores were higher than the national average. The bottom line: the medical community maintains that a healthy diet remains a cornerstone of cancer prevention. While the rising rates of lung cancer in younger, non-smoking adults remain a medical mystery that requires urgent research, experts do not recommend abandoning nutritional guidelines. Regardless of whether the produce is organic or conventional, washing should always be recommended to reduce contaminants such as chemicals and bacteria. Dr. Roberto Pili conclusion. While the study identifies a curious trend among young lung cancer patients, it lacks the scientific weight to challenge established dietary wisdom. Instead, it highlights the need for deeper research into environmental factors and the mysterious rise of early-onset lung cancer.